Hello everyone, Shabir Ansari is here. Welcome to a new unclogging video. Please support us to get our first 1000 subscribers. Today we are visiting a complaint site
Oh,
where we
anti-corruption.
didn't found any overflow in the street, but the manholes are full. This manhole is empty. This is working properly. You can see that. I think the previous one is blocked. It is a morning time. Maybe these manholes overflows in the noon or after the noon when the consumption of water is at its peak. But this time there is no overflow in the street. Staff is removing the cover of this manhole. It is full. You can watch when he is trying to remove the cover. The sewage is coming out from the manhole. Yes, it is full, and this span is blocked. And unclogging is needed here. Probably so far you didn't see the street clean like this. There is no trash, no plastic bags in the street. Street is clean and it is neat. So far we didn't found any floating material in the manhole. You can see there is no floating material, rubbish or trash on the surface of the sewage. Unclogging has been started with the help of metal rod. We will try to unclog the sewer line with the help of this steel bar. Here we go. This didn't took so long to unclog. It's already unclosed. You can see the level is decreasing continuously, and with a significant speed. Oh, some ball is here. Maybe it was inside the sewer line. The sewage is decreasing very sharply. Sewage is coming from all around the pipes. No trash has been found inside the sewer line, only few leaves. The blockage was due to leaves of tree. There is no floating materials, rubbish or trash inside the manhole or sewer line. I seeing it maybe first time where we have found no trash. Maybe some types of sophisticated residents are living in this street. That is why the street is neat and clean.
ਕੁੰਡੀ ਨਾਲ ਨਾ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਤੋੜ ਦੇ ਗਾਂ
Sewage is
ਹਾਂ
also
ਤੋੜ
coming
ਦੇ
from
ਪਾਣੀ ਆ
previous manhole.
ਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕੋਈ ਡੱਕਾ
So
ਹੈਗਾ ਬਾਹਰ
previous
ਕੱਢ ਦੇ ਬਾਕੀ ਤੋੜ
manhole
ਦੇ
is also unclosed as working. Blockage was only in this span.
ਲੈ ਆ ਯਾਰ ਮੁੜ ਕੇ ਉਹ ਪਾਣੀ ਖਤਮ ਹੋ ਜਾਣਾ ਹੈਗਾ
Staff is trying to make this waste flow with the sewage. Street is so neat, we don't want to make it dirty. There is some plastic pipe which are used maybe at the top of the manhole. so that the rainy water can enter into the manhole before removing the lid of manhole. The span of between two manholes are very short. It's about 20 feet, which is rare. I am sure the sewer line must be laid or constructed by the residents by themselves, not by the government. Because where department laid sewer line, the span between the two manholes at least 50 feet, and here is only 20 feet. This manhole is also gone empty. Sewage has flowed, and there is no trash also here. You can watch the sewage is now flowing properly. There is no hurdle, only some leaves are there which can decompose in water. Main issue is plastic bags and plastic other things which did not compose in the sewage. So that kind of things cause blockage in sewer lines again and again. Now staff is moving manhole covers back on the manholes. Unclogging has been completed. Maybe it was the most quick in unclogging so far. Here are some pots for the birds from where they can drink water. That is all for today. Thank you very much for watching.